In a society where financial success often feels like a pipe dream, some people appear to attract money like a magnet. By avoiding the get-rich-quick schemes and escaping the luck of the lottery, becoming a millionaire can be achieved. If you believe the saying, it's never about what you have, but what you do with it. If you've wondered if you truly have a shot at being a millionaire, here are some signs that may hint at your being destined to become the next millionaire. Number 1, visionary thinking. A millionaire has a very clear and detailed picture of what they want their future to look like. They don't just dream big, they also make very specific and ambitious plans to achieve those dreams. Even when faced with tough challenges, they are able to keep pushing forward and adapt to difficult situations. For someone aspiring to this level of success, it's important to not only imagine a life filled with wealth and success, but also to actively take steps toward making that vision a reality. This means constantly working hard, seeking out opportunities, and never giving up, even when the path gets tough. This approach involves a deep commitment to personal and professional development. It's about understanding exactly what you want to achieve and being relentless in your pursuit of it. By continually setting high goals and meeting challenges head-on, you align yourself with the mindset of a millionaire. Number 2, financial discipline. Most millionaires have one thing in common: they are careful with their money. They make it a habit to save regularly and learn how to invest wisely. They also avoid spending their money without thinking. If you consistently show that you can manage your money well, you are on the right track to becoming wealthy. This means making a budget, sticking to it, and making smart choices about how to use your money, focusing on saving and growing it for the future. Number 3, continuous learning. Millionaires are lifelong learners, constantly seeking out new information and opportunities to expand their knowledge. Their education never truly ends. Instead, they view learning as a crucial tool for personal development and business growth. They often read books, attend workshops, and seek advice from experts to stay ahead in their fields. This continuous pursuit of knowledge helps them adapt to changes, innovate, and make informed decisions that drive their success. If you have a thirst for knowledge and continually strive to learn more, you're aligning yourself with the habits of successful people. Embracing learning not only enhances your skills and expertise, but also opens up new opportunities for advancement and success. It's a powerful way to build confidence, stay competitive, and maintain a proactive approach to both life and business. Number 4, entrepreneurial spirit. A primary trait of millionaires is that they are entrepreneurs or have developed key skills that support successful entrepreneurship, as we saw with Kukier and Coates. These people are driven and unafraid of risk. They are able to come up with innovative ideas and take it upon themselves to put those ideas into action by starting a business. If you aspire to be an entrepreneur and have the appetite to seek out and evaluate risks in order to accomplish your goals, you're on track. Number 5, staying on track through failure. Millionaires view failure as a stepping stone on the path to success, not as a reflection of their competence. They see each setback as an opportunity to learn and grow. Demonstrating resilience, they quickly recover from setbacks, understanding that the ability to bounce back from adversity is a strong indicator of potential success. This mindset is essential, as it allows them to maintain their focus and momentum, continually pushing forward despite challenges. Their approach emphasizes that setbacks are not roadblocks, but rather moments of learning that pave the way for future achievements. This perspective is crucial for anyone aspiring to achieve great success, encouraging a proactive and persistent approach to overcoming obstacles. Number 6, generous and gives back. Many people think millionaires are not generous, but this isn't true. Most millionaires actually give a lot back to their communities and want to help make the world a better place. If you like to use your money to help others, you have something in common with many wealthy people. They don't just keep their wealth to themselves. They donate money, support local projects, and help out charities. Many wealthy people feel it's their duty to use their money for good, helping others and making positive changes in society. This kind of giving doesn't just help those who receive it, it also makes the givers feel good and keeps the cycle of kindness going. Number 7, networking and relationships. Millionaires understand the importance of networking and building relationships. They make a point to surround themselves with positive, supportive, and influential individuals who can elevate them and help make things happen. These relationships are vital because they can lead to new opportunities, provide valuable advice, and open doors that might otherwise remain closed. By connecting with others who are driven and successful, millionaires create a powerful support system that can assist in overcoming challenges and achieving goals. This network isn't just about professional gain, it also offers personal growth, learning from the experiences and insights of others, which can be instrumental in navigating the complexities of business and personal endeavors. Your job is to be one of the next generation of millionaires, so look for these signs to reinforce that you're heading in the direction of financial success. Getting rich means working hard, in a prolonged and consistent way, not becoming a millionaire overnight. So, embrace these signs, stay focused on the tasks you need to do to reach your goal, and believe you have the power to become financially successful.